welcome to my brand new training video. In this video, I'm going to teach you step by step how to create a powerful traffic campaign promoting ClickBank products as an affiliate and start making thousands of dollars in commissions every single month on completely autopilot. Now, if you're watching one of my videos for the first time, then make sure you smash that subscribe button. If you have questions, just leave a comment. Click the share button, share this video with the people you care, and give me a thumbs up. It will be appreciated. So let's dive into this video. Okay, so I'm on ClickBank. If you don't know what ClickBank is a marketplace with thousands of products. They have physical and digital products. You come to ClickBank, you register your account for free. It's absolutely free to join ClickBank. You just want to create your free account with ClickBank, and once you have joined ClickBank, you want to go to the ClickBank marketplace, and in the marketplace you're going to find all these categories. Another way to check out the products in the marketplace is by clicking the three dots, and then you can see the categories, the subcategories down here. Alright, so you need to, first of all, you need to choose a niche, which niche you're going to go into. That's very important. Is it going to be the Make Money Online niche, which is very popular? Is it going to be the health and fitness niche, etc., etc.? So you choose your niche. That's the first thing. Second thing you need to do is choose the product. So in this case, we're just going to work with a niche called Make Money Online. So I'm just going to come here and click on e-business and e-marketing. By the way, just for a side note, okay, if you really want to learn all about ClickBank, okay, I do have a complete ClickBank course. Alright, as you can see, continue to grow with 1,759 students, okay, 4.6 star review, okay. If you just come to Udemy, this website here, you could type in ClickBank, alright, and when you type in ClickBank, you're going to see a picture of this guy here smiling. Can you see this here? Okay, and then you're going to see my name here. This is my ClickBank course. You can purchase this ClickBank course and learn everything about ClickBank. I'll go into very much details all about ClickBank, how ClickBank works, how you can promote other people's products, how you can actually go out there and become a super affiliate, go from zero to hero. Okay, it's one of the best money products rated on this platform, and I have helped thousands of people on the internet make money online. So if you really want a ClickBank course which is affordable, cheap, and for you to understand, 100% beginners friendly, then just go to Udemy, type in ClickBank. You're going to see a smiling person just like this. You're going to see my name, which is going to be something like this here, okay, and just buy it. Okay, you're going to get everything I reveal all about ClickBank. Okay, so that was a side note. So let's get back to ClickBank. So we're going to come here and we're going to choose a product. So I'm going to go to e-business, e-marketing here, and I'm going to choose a product. And I would like to choose a high ticket product. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to go average conversions. So I could see the first product that's coming up is this one here. It seems like a new product to me. They're going to pay me up to $954 at 1 cent in commissions. I could see the good part is that it's a mobile friendly product. They do have an affiliate page. Let me just click on it to see what it looks like. Okay, so this is the product. Ambassador is a private social network for brand ambassador. You can use Ambassador to start your career doing something exciting. Click here, tap here to join us. Alright. Okay, so looking at it overall, does it trigger my interest? I'm going to go for something else. Okay, so I could see this one is very popular, so let's just stick to this one. It's the Super Affiliate System, John Crestani's Auto Webinar Funnel. Okay. Now, the first thing what we need to do is very, very important before creating the traffic campaign is creating a landing page just around this product. Okay. Now, I have a complete tutorial where I teach how to create a landing page using different platforms. I also cover this in very much details in my ClickBank Affiliate Marketing Success course for beginners. Okay, so I'm not going to go through it right now in this video because this video is going to get too long. But if you want to learn more about how to create a landing page, which only takes about 5 minutes, 10 minutes, okay, using done for you templates, you can watch my other videos where I cover everything. Now, if you don't know what a landing page is, a landing page will look something like, okay, let me just see, okay, now this is not a landing page, but something like this, okay? You're going to see something here, you're going to see a box here somewhere where it says, enter your email address to get access, and they enter the email address and then click on the button. That person is going to be landing straight into your email software, email marketing software, which is called an autoresponder, where you will able to actually communicate with this person, okay, and you will able to actually send this person email. So you want to build a list, okay? Very, very important. Do not do direct linking, okay? Because if you do direct linking, you're going to get a lot of traffic, but you're not going to make any money. So this is what you call a landing page. It looks like this. This is a bridge page, by the way, that I'm showing you. A bridge page with a high ticket offer that pays 100% profit, okay, and 100% commission. Okay, so I created this bridge page, but when it's a landing page, you just have a box here that says enter your email address to get access. Okay, so you get the idea. So now what we're going to do is we got our product, which is the high ticket product that's going to pay us up to $500, $600. We got our landing page. We're going to, okay, now we need to create a traffic campaign. So let's go into the traffic campaign, the traffic source that we're going to use to start driving some quality traffic. Now, let me say one thing before we get into the traffic. Professional. Make yourself professional when it comes to traffic techniques, because without traffic, there's no business. It's simple. You can have the most beautiful website, most beautiful blog, you could have everything, but if you don't know how to get traffic, you don't know how to get people to see your page, you're not going to make any money, okay? So learn how to advertise, learn how to drive traffic, and make yourself professional with traffic techniques. Whether it's free, whether it's paid, but make yourself professional. Because once you make yourself professional, I'm going to put it this way, you will able to print your own online paychecks. It's that simple. Now, in my ClickBank course, I do cover traffic as well, okay? So if I come down, I explain 5 lectures on traffic, free traffic source 4 lectures, unlimited free traffic 19 lectures, and solo ads traffic 12 lectures, and PPC traffic with Bing ads 21 lectures, okay? I teach you a lot of in-depth details all about traffic generation. I highly recommend you watch these videos because this is going to change the way you drive traffic, okay? So we are going to create a quick campaign using a good traffic source. So let's do this. Alright, so this is a traffic campaign. A website address is popping up right on your screen. You can go to this website address because this traffic source is only invite only. You can't come here and create your account. You have to be invited. So go to this website address, open up a new browser, go to this website address, and then you will be able to create your free account, okay? once you have created your account, you're going to click on traffic campaign. So you can see here, I have some couple of traffic campaigns. All right. If I just go here and if I go, okay, they don't have like, let me see if they have some dates. If I come here to refresh, so you can see I've drove a lot of traffic to some of the offers down here. So what you want to do, you want to click on add new campaign. I'm just going to name this John Crestani. Okay, in here you're going to put your landing page. For this demonstration purpose, I'm just going to put this bridge page. Okay, in your case you're going to put a landing page. Okay, I'm going to scroll down. Okay, and then I'm going to choose weight loss, health, or make money online. Make money online. Here's the good part about this traffic network. Once you start receiving traffic, you could block some of the traffic people. So here's the traffic providers. Who are you going to choose? Now some of these, actually most of these people are very good. I'm just going to choose one of the persons from here. Okay, so I'm going to choose this guy here. Okay, you want to start off with one person and test the water for each person, and then come up with a conclusion that what you're going to do, are you going to drive some mass traffic using mass people. So once you have tested all of them and you see that at least 5 of these people are sending you very good traffic, then you can select multiple of these people here. Okay, all right, and you could select multiple of these people, and then if you see that all of them are driving good traffic, only one of them are not driving good, then you could just select all. Okay, and then in the block listing, you could just block one of those guys. So you could say, okay, I want to block this person here. Simple as that. So traffic's going to come from all the providers except this person here. Okay, so that's the good part. You could also block countries, you could block devices, you could block operating system, you could block traffic tags, you could do so many good stuff. Okay, so we're just going to stick to one person. We want to test the water, and then we're going to walk ourselves up. Okay, so what do we choose? We want to choose this guy here. Okay, select countries. I'm going to put English, international tier 1 countries. That's too much. I don't want that. Let's just go back. Let's just go here and select English speaking country. Device type empty, and now this is very important. This is where people make the mistake. Traffic tags. Look at this. This is the type of traffic they can deliver: email clicks, engage clicks, access clicks, Facebook ads, follow clicks, media buy. Make sure you have selected email clicks. Okay, alright, CPC. Now when you go to CPC, on the right hand side it tells you 49 cents, so we're just going to put 49 cents. If you put less than 49 cents, you're not going to get clicks. So let's just do 49 cents. Total budget, stop campaign when reached. I'm going to start off with $25. Okay, daily budget, keep empty for, I'm going to put $5. So I could see what's going on. Okay, if I'm not seeing any kind of opt-ins within $10, I'm going to stop my campaign and go for another person, or I will test a new landing page, making sure that I am in profit from the first visitor that comes onto my landing page. Okay, smooth, accelerate. I'm going to keep it smooth for the first time because I don't know how the traffic's going to run, what's my opt-in rate, what's going to happen. So I'm going to keep it smooth. I'm going to click on active here and then click on save campaign. Okay, this is how you create a traffic campaign. Okay, now what you need to do, you need to come here and add funds for the traffic to start running. Now remember this, traffic is the king to internet business. Learn how to generate traffic and learn how to drive consistent traffic. That's when you're going to make money. Not just that you buy traffic for once and then you don't buy traffic again and then you blame everything. This is a business, my friend. You need to take risks. You need to learn how to take risks. You need to learn how to invest in yourself, in traffic generation. Start building up, okay, and see what's working and what's not working. So you need to come here and start testing the water out. Just doing it 1 or 2 times, not getting results and then giving up is not going to make you any money. And this is the reason why 99% people fail, because they don't have a business mindset. So you need to add funds. Once you add funds, the minimum fund you're going to add is $100, and I'm sure with $100 which is more than enough to test every one of these people to see which one's going to convert the best. Okay, and remember one more thing. Okay, the $100 that you will add is non-refundable. Okay, remember that. So which means you will have to spend that $100. So you start testing out the way I just showed you. $25 ad campaign, keep it smooth, leave it for $5-10 and see your opt-in rate. If you're getting 30% plus opt-in rate, you're running good. If you're not getting 30% opt-in rate, you have two options. Either switch the traffic provider, stop the traffic, switch the traffic provider with a new campaign, or change your landing page. That's what you need to do. Okay, so that's all for now. If you still want to get access to my ClickBank course where I cover everything, just go to udemy.com. Okay, type in ClickBank, okay, and you could find my course and you will be able to purchase this course and you will able to learn everything about ClickBank affiliate marketing.